Good evening, everybody. This is your girl. You know the one. Bug-eyed. Betty, that is. Look, I got a question. And I hope somebody out there got an answer. Question is this right here. Parents with teenage children, are y'all okay? Because it's getting hot. You know, the birds and the bees and all the little critters, they doing their thing. Snakes mating and, it's that time. They coming out. They creeping. I just want to know, is y'all all right? Because, if the birds and the bees doing it, then so is your children. I just want y'all to do this. Don't be in denial. If you see some physical changes in your child, go ahead and take them to the doctor. Don't wait too long. Please don't. And please, young ladies, if y'all out here doing stuff like you grown, but when grown stuff happen to you, don't lie and say, my stomach inflamed with hot chips. Say what? That say your stomach is inflamed with a baby. Not no hot chips. That ain't bloated. That thing hard cause something in there. Hello. All I'm saying, parents, mothers, have that intuition and take the child to the doctor. It ain't the chips. It's that boyfriend that you let come over, spend the night. If he's spending the night where he's sleeping, while you sleep, he creeping. Holler at me. Why don't you?